hold on.
Hang on, no, you're good. Yeah, it's so good.
No, we're fine. I got it. Too late. My shoes are already off. Okay.
What's the water temp?
As Tyler would say, a crisp 62.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Back in the John Boat. Ace and I are fishing our 8th John Boat Tournament Classic this year. We're looking for another win. We've got one under our belt out of 8, and I think we got a 4th place, but need another plaque. What do you think?
Back, sir. Go home.
All right, I'm gonna start with the ceremonial 5 casts with a walking bait, and then pick up a glide bait for the rest of the day. Let's get it. 7:12. Weigh-ins at 4. We'll see you with 6 fish and 23.67 pounds. I'd take 23. I'll take a limit. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't feel top water. First. You sure?
13 and a half. 13 3/4.
Oh! Did you see that? He ate it head first. It wasn't huge. I mean, it was a good one. It was like probably 3 pounds. Where to? Smoked it. Let's go. That's a 4 something. We gliding today, boys. Hey, caught that on the 7-inch Fish Everything Taxi Shad. I had one eat the 10, but I wanted to downsize real quick just to see if I'd get another one to bite, or one to bite it. It's a little bit easier for them to eat, even though that other one did not seem shy. All right, hook's good. Gonna need 5 more of those. What do you think? Let's do this. Let's go to the fingers. Maybe hit one more creek in Fountainhead, and then let's go to your tree, and then we'll come back down. Okay. These ones may be glideable. It's like flat tree. Well, it's not flat, but it's running parallel with the bank. One might have just, I think so. Oh, again, dude, he shot up. Oh, look at him. See, got him. Oh. No. Sorry, dude.
Let you swing him.
Nah, it's my fault. You could have, it was close, but dude, there's a lot in this. Ah, that was what, a
3 times.
4? Yeah, there was.
No, that was like a 3.
Okay. It's not, dude, that was my fault. I should have slid him into the net.
that one that time.
Get up there, Ace. Take over. All right, little recovery, little recovery. Hang in here, buddy. I think the creeks are the move. You've been calling this one too all day, so that one's on you. Thank you. All right. Pliers. No, that one was up high. I didn't even look at the scope or anything. I just threw it out, started working it back. Got him? Over here. Come on. There she is, number 3. Good work, Ace. Jig. Hell yeah, brother. Number 3. He's 14 all day.
Yeah, it was 15.
What is he?
15.
I thought you said 13. I was like, what?
No.
Fish number 3. 11:31. Got him. Small one, but we got him, baby. Let's go, number 4. Get up there. Hell yeah. The day's turning around, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe a little bigger than yours? Or the same? I don't know. We'll find out. Let's go, dude. They back here. We got 11 pounds, 13 ounces for 4. 11.40. Dude, when we came in here, we had 1, and we should have 5. That's crazy. That never happens.
Huh?
Big boy. Oh, oh yeah. Yeah. That's a good one. I think another thing is, since there's, like, if you can get multiple fish to see it, creates that competition aspect, and then, yeah, they fight over it. Oh my God, I just got bit back there, dude. That's her.
Huh?
I said, that's her. That's the tree, I mean. They're fighting over it again. Got him.
All right, dude. There's more ready to go.
There's like a bunch of them on that thing. Whew. Let's go. Number 5.
Number 5, baby. Right at the boat.
I know. I know.
Pick us up.
Okay. Oh, she's got that black lipstick. I mean, it's not a big one, but he's probably 2 1/4. Yeah. Dude, this is insane. I love when fish have this. It's melanosis, like when they get the black spots. Good stop.
Shit.
What time was it when we got up here? 10? I thought it was 11 something. A-rig? Fish. You got one behind it already. Oh, he's still following. You got it. There you go. Nice. Funny. Come on. Yo, yep. Your rod's. Put the. Come on. That's the limit right there. Stop. There's more in there too.
What's that?
I don't want to creep up on it a little bit. Let's go. Let's get this big one, buddy. It's the classic, baby. Look at those. Throw over that way for sure. Cast it just like as far as you can. Yeah, that's good. Nice. It's a little to the left, but it should bring it by. Oh, look at those. Oh, oh, that's game over. He's in it. Got him. Nice. How small? Sure. Nice, dude. That was perfect. Self-release. There's this little mini wolf pack.
I couldn't even feel it on there.
That's try to throw it like at the point. That is a big one. Or it's 2 or 3 of them. Oh, come on.
Is he running away from it?
I just spooked one, I think.
What's he doing?
I don't know. I'm confused. Oh, was that the big one? No, it wasn't. I mean, they look good though.
Running away from it.
Got him. Oh, it's a big one. Boom, dude.
Give me some, buddy.
How big is that? Is that a 7?
That might be a 6.5.
That is a tank, baby. There was 2 of them this size fighting over it too. Ace. Look at this thing. That's probably close to 7.
Yeah.
This thing is a giant. Ah. Holy moly, 133. How the tables have how the turntables. God, dude, he followed it forever, and it ate it on the like long pause. Very rare. I think he did at least. My mind's racing. Insane, brother. God, this glide is getting worked today. Love it. It's not the prettiest. It's got a mag draft eyeball and a battle shad eyeball, but that's okay. More. More. More.
Come on, more.
It's the classic, baby. You know what? I'm literally putting all my other rods away. You have fun. You play for a while. You get you a cull fish. Giving you the midday update a little early. It's 1:38. Got a limit in culled. We're sitting on about 21 pounds. Just literally fishing in creeks. Like any sort of tree or wood we can find in creeks is what all of these fish have come off of. Between the A-rig and the glide bait, I think that's all we'll need for the rest of the day, especially with this wind, because it's actually laying down a little bit right now, but it's supposed to just keep picking up throughout the day into the 20s. So it's a little tough to fish, I'm not gonna lie, especially when we were out in the middle. Oh yeah, we did have one fish outside of a creek, but either way, I've just put every single rod away except for this glide bait, and hopefully we can catch a couple more big ones, because if we're catching them like this, someone's gonna bring in a giant sack today. Oh, come on. Oh my God, I think he had it for a second. Got him. Big. No, get him, get him. Yes! Got him that time. Oh. Let's go. Sorry.
Dude, I got so scared when it went down. I was like, I don't have him.
Fuck, I didn't think you did either. That's a 5, dude, or high 4. He's 4 something for sure. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna. Wow, Ace, net job of the year. Thank you. Sorry, I don't know what why they're flopping off right at the freaking net. He was at the very bottom of that tree. Like I pulled it through and let it sink, and he can't. I saw him come out from underneath. Started following it, and he ate it twice.
Yeah.
He ate it the first time. I was like,
They've been doing that.
I think he had it. I'm shaking. Good catch.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for that. Sorry. I don't know what I'm doing, man.
I don't think it's anything that you're doing.
I guess like
When you get them to the boat, there's nothing.
they're just shaking around. That was one that is going to help us. That's going to put us up to 23, 24. All right, 3:35. We got 25 minutes left. We could use another big one. I want to hit 25 pounds. I don't know. I didn't weigh that last one, but I'll guess that we're around 23. There's a bunch of fish out here in this bait. See them? Go ahead. Close for the bite, but this might work.
Although it did work, so.
True. Mm-hmm. Feels big. Yep. Cole. Cole. There was 4 more of them down there too. Holy crap. Look at this little butterball. Yeah, that's for sure. Bigger than 2.9, right? He's a 3. Close to it. 339. I think that's 25 for us, buddy. Alright, the only other thing I've caught a fish on today. It's just a 3.8 Kitech on a 1/2 ounce ball head. Dropped it straight down to him. You still see him up there, Ace?
Still one roaming around.
Last cast. Ace Boogie with the calls and the saves. What a nice guy. He let me catch him today.
I should have let him go.
You catch him all year. You let me catch him one tournament a year. You're just too nice.
I think I've got one in there.
Oh, I didn't say I caught them all. I'm just saying you let me catch some. Last cast fish? Wow. Man, what a freaking day, brother. And we get to do it again tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't suck.
Hopefully tomorrow.
Ah. Ah. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Alright, let's go. We got him. That's a good bag, dude.
Where you got out of the bag, sandbag wheel. Got it. 6. Yeah. Is that a 6-pounder?
Yeah.
Let's have your big one first.
Okay.
Man.
Yeah, it's that one.
Oh, clearly that's a 7-pounder. 6.99.
Okay.
I'll hold them in. That's another big one too. Huh? I got it. You like that one, Dan? Not everybody gets them. I appreciate it.
Rob, you want me to grab?
Here we go. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
5 added 2 pounds. Yep.
Big one.
It's a heavy add too. 1975. Whoa, hold on. We got ourselves, we're going to have a photo finish. Over there,
Cool.
Thanks.
26.74. Cool. Ace and I finished with 26.74 yesterday, about a 1/4 pound behind Matt McCluskey and Alex Titus, the 2 res hammers. Insane day with the glide bait. Ace had some awesome saves with the net and sitting in 2nd place, so it's going to be a tough one, especially behind these guys, but it's going to be fun. Hoping that today is going to be better, but we'll see how it goes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me so you can see part 2, which is going to be out very soon. We'll see you on the next one.